Hello fellow traders, welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy. My name is Simon and welcome again to this channel. Today we are here with another brand new signal. Today's signal is going to be on GBPUSD, aka British Pound per US dollar. So hold on to your seats, sit back so we can go to the calendar and see what we have there. Okay, now that we are on the calendar, currently as you can see, the seller side is a little bit more stronger than the buyer side, and the summary of this currency is showing us that for the next week we're gonna actually experience a downfall, but this downfall is not so powerful. It's just an impact of some news that are currently happening in this week, and as I said, I hope that we are going to experience a move to the upside in the next week as soon as possible. And this is just a correction, and we are going to give ourselves a little bit of time in order to open our buy trade. And as always, as we all know, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on GBPUSD, British Pound per US dollar on 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. There is actually a weak high up above here, which can be taken so easily, and this blue area shows us that we can open up our trades right here in order to have a good stop loss and take profit. And this big great green area shows us that we have a strong support right below the price, that we are gonna actually put our stop loss right below here. And as I suggest, you can enter whenever you want to and wherever you want to. It's up to you, not to me. And at the end, I just wanted to say that, as always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, as always, I just wanted to end this video with a beautiful quote. In Forex trading, there is always another opportunity around the corner. Don't dwell on your losses. Learn from them and move on. Have a good day and peace.